Hi, friends. A very good evening to all of you. So, let me ask you a question. When you email somebody, what is it that you do? Well, I think most of you know the answer. The answer is that whenever we are mailing somebody, we are focusing over the subject line, the salutation, the body, and of course, the greetings. But there is a very important part of your email etiquettes that we don't know or that we miss out. That part of your email etiquettes is known as your three volley rules. So let me explain you what do we mean when we say the three volley rules of email etiquettes. It means that, for example, if somebody has mailed you, you replied him back. They replied back to you and then to and forth. This continues more than three times, then it is always advisable that stop mailing, pick up your call, and fix an appointment. So, this rule is known as the three volley rules of email etiquette, which says that if there has been a correspondence between you and the receiver more than three times, it is better that you stop right there, pick up your phone, and fix a meeting with them and discuss the issue. Because if the issue has not been resolved in three times of your communication, then it is not going to resolve further. So, it is always advisable that you follow the three volley rules whenever you are talking about your email etiquettes.